प्रश्नः अस्ति यत् कुत्र अस्ति भीमस्य कुत्र अस्मिन् नास्ति पूर्वस्मिन्.
Yes, last time only one quiz you have given. That was Bhimasya Shaktihi Adhika.
That was
choice
in the telegram.
In the telegram, choices were there. 3 choices were there. One was Adhika, another one was Adhika, and third one I don't remember. And I have mentioned Adhikaha.
Third one was Ativa Adhika. Option. Okay, Samya Bhagini. अस्य वर्णनं कर्तुं शक्नोति प्रायः.
शक्तिः is स्त्रीलिङ्गं महोदय. So adhika is visheshanam to shaktihi. So adhikaha will become pullingam. So adhika is the strilingam for shaktihi. Bhimaha Bhimasya shaktihi adhika. So shaktihi is strilingam. So visheshanam visheshyam, it follows the same vachanam lingam vibhaktihi. So it becomes adhika, not adhikaha. Is that correct, Mahoday?
Yes, yes, Bhagini, I understand it now. Thank you very much for your suggestion.
Thank you.
Yeah, so धन्यवादः. So तत्र मुख्य विषयः अस्ति अधिक इति पदं कस्य विशेषणं भवितुम् अर्हति इति. भीमपदस्य विशेषणम् अथवा शक्तिः पदस्य विशेषणम्. भीमः अधिकः अपि भवितुम् अर्हति. भीमः केवलं एवमेव वदामश्चेत् भीमः अधिकः अस्ति, सर्वेभ्यः अधिकः अस्ति. भीमः पाण्डवेभ्यः कौरवेभ्यः अपि सर्वेभ्यः अपि अधिकः अस्ति. He is more or more capable. Adhika. So in that case adhikaha becomes visheshanam to Bhima. But here in this sentence we are using shaktihi. So we want to say Bhimasya shaktihi is a sentence, right? Bhimasya shaktihi, shakti of Bhima is dash dash. No. So adhika padam should be visheshanam to shaktihi.
The mistake I have done is I took shaktihi as since there is a visarga also, shakti as a pullingam. So that is where I made the mistake.
Yeah. So that was the purpose of the question. So we need to understand that everywhere the visarga is there, they are not pullingam. So shaktihi, matihi, krutihi. These are all scaling.
Can we increase the font? It is not visible.
This one. Anybody has any question? Otherwise, this was the last week's homework. Gatavargasya. This was answers were there already. This week is online. Asti Bhagini Aditi. अस्मिन्नेव अस्मिन् प्रश्नपत्रिकायाम् अस्यां पश्यतु प्रश्नपत्रिका तो कुत्र
आम् महोदय अस्मिन्नेव अस्ति उपरि उपरि गच्छति
गच्छति गच्छन्ति अदिति. This was a trick question. So atra correct answer is Adin. Correct answer what?
Aditi.
Aditi is a pratipadikam, so Shatru Pratyaya cannot be applied. Isn't that the right answer?
Mahoday.
Aditi iti Deva Mata Matuh Nama.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Aditya. Aditi iti kriya atra शत्रन्तपदस्य विषये चर्चा. अत्र सर्वे धातवः सन्ति अथवा क्रियापदानि सन्ति. गच्छति गच्छन्ति. So aditi is not a kriyapadam, which though it's ending like ti, is not gacchati aditi. Like it's like pati. mati. So all those are namapadani. Tatra shatra pratyasya yojanam na bhavitamarrati. So these one Karta Mahoday and everybody, I think you got it. Like, so Janati, we discussed this before. Like, for why is it Janati, why not Jananti? Karta Mahoday. They answered Jananti, but the correct answer is Janati. Kimartham?
Janati is the Pratipadikam, sir.
Pratipadikam to asti. Parantu, why is it Jananti?
No, when Gachati is Gachanti, so what I inferred is I have to write the Bahuvachan for the word which you have given. So accordingly, Janati, I put Jananti.
No, hold on. So what do you mean by Bahuvachanam? Where is Bahuvachanam here?
Gachanti.
No, that is not Bahuvachanam. So where, how is it Bahuvachanam? So these are Shatranta Padani, right? Shatranta Rupani. Ye Nama Padani Santi. If you are referring to Gacchati, Gacchataha, Gacchanti, so that is a different thing.
Yeah,
that is a Rasva Gacchanti. Rasva Gacchanti, that is a Kriya Padam, Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam. But here we are referring to Shatranta Padam, which is a Nama Padam.
My memory went back to the Prathama Purusha.
Yeah. So there is a Rasva. Gacchanti is Rasva. There it is Dirgha Gacchanti. The Gacchanti Mahila Gayati. So like that. These are the Shatranta Padani. Padamasti. So similarly, Janati becomes what now? This is Gacchanti is, what is the Ekavachanam? Ekavachanam. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? This Trilingam. So Janati becomes what?
There is a mistake I understood, sir.
No, how does, okay, but how does, now Janati becomes what now? What is the correct answer?
Janati is the Satranda Padam.
Right. So Janati, what is Janati? Janati is a Kriya Padam here, right? Balika, Jana, Balika.
Janati is, we are aware.
Janati is?
I am aware, Janati.
Kriya Padam asti. Aham janami, aham sa janati, kim janati, kimapi janati, geetam janati, vyakaranam janati, iti Kriya Padam asti. Now we want the Strilinga, Prathama Vibhakti Strilinga Ekavachana Rupam. The Shatranta Rupam is needed here. So how do we get that? It's just a quick recap. Now, let's not spend too much time on this. Just a quick recap. How do we get the Prathama Vibhakti Strilinga Rupam? Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Kah niyamah atra Basmati Bhagini.
Latlakare Bahuvachanam iti Jananti.
Latlakare Bahuvachanam kim bhavati? Janati?
Jananti.
Jananti. Okay. So?
Anantaram ti nishkashayatu. So Janati.
Ti nishkasananantaram Janati katham bhavati. No, so there is, I think that part is forgotten. Anybody?
Pradam ekavachanam dirgha akara asti.
Mahoday, can I tell?
Ekavachan dirgha akara. Samyak. Ekavachan dirgha akara. Samyak asti. Samyak.
Mahoday, I thought, I could be wrong, for Dhatu Gana 1, 4, 6, 10, it will become Anti, and then for the other dhatu ganas it will become ti, janati, like that, Mahoday. Anukurvati or kurvati, yunjati.
Yeah. Tadeva smarane bhavet. So everybody understand this, or this we talked last time, but again recap. So 1, 4, 6, 10. So 1, 4, 6, 10, where are they? So these, right, 1, 4, 6, 10, which are simpler, you can say, or have the same pattern, like bhavati. 1, 4, 6, 10, we are talking only parasmepadi, because shatru pratyaya can be applied only to parasmepadi dhatus. Bhavati and nashyati, likhati and pujayati. एतादृशानि क्रियापदानि सन्ति भवादिगणे दिवादिगणे तुदादिगणे अनन्तरं चुरादिगणे 1 4 6 10 एतेषां शत्रन्तरूपाणि कुत्र स्त्रीलिङ्गे तत्र नकारः आगच्छति नकार अन्ति अन्ति गच्छन्ति धावन्ति खादन्ति अनन्तरं नश्यन्ति क्रुध्यन्ति कुप्यन्ति दृश्यन्ति इति चतुर्थगणे अनन्तरं तुदादिगणे लिखन्ति मुञ्चन्ति इच्छन्ति पृच्छन्ति तुदादिगणे अनन्तरं चुरादिगणे अपि पूजयन्ति क्षालयन्ति एतानि सर्वाणि तत्र अन्येषु गणेषु तत्र अदादि ज्योत्यादि स्वादि रथादि तनादि क्रियादि गणेषु नकारस्य आगमनं न भवति तत्र नकारः न श्रूयते न अन्ति इति केवलं ति जानाति अस्ति अस्य किं भवति सति सति दीर्घ सति अनन्तरं दास्य ददति अनन्तरं शक धातोः शक्नोति भुज धातु भुञ्जति कुर्वति क्रीणाति क्रीणति क्रीणति. So these are the rupas. So only these things you have to remember. So if you remember the lat lakar rupa, then you would understand generally in what gana it falls. So lat lakara is simple, right? Like bhavati, what is the, if you know chi dhatu, chinoti. Chinoti is not like as Kumari Begin was hinting that janati is like the middle portion na ha. It is not janati. In lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachanam, it is not janati. It is not like gacchati gacchata gacchanti. It has a janati na in the middle. So similarly in the chinoti we have no in the middle. Chinoti. And kru we have karoti in the middle. O in the middle. Karoti. So where there is other than in the middle, like in da also we have dadati. Whereas if you see 1, 4, 6, 10, they have like simple in the middle, like bhavati, bhava, and nashyati, likhati, and then pujayati, like that. But others one, they don't have in the middle. So like asti, there is no ha.
सुलभमार्गः अदन्त अनदन्त अदन्त अनदन्त अस्ति चेत्
ये व्याकरणं जानाति तेषां कृते अदन्त अङ्गं भवति धातोः अङ्गं विकरणप्रत्ययानन्तरम् अदन्तङ्गं भवति अदन्त means akara, at means just simply remember adanta means at the end there is end means which end? Here we are talking in the middle. When we are in the process of deriving this, there are some steps. In one step, which is dhatu plus vikarana pratyaya, That is called angam. So angam means angam is part, which is used in the. So, but here that bhava, dada, sorry, not dada, nashya, etc. In the middle. So, where is is there? Those kind of things there is. For the strilinga shatranta padam, you add na, then anti, gachanti, etc. Otherwise, there is no na. Simple one. Okay. So, let's move forward. इति अस्माभिः चर्चा कृता शत्रन्तपदानां विषये. So where is शत्रन्तपदस्य उपयोगः कुत्र भवति? यत्र अन्याक्रिया अस्ति समानकाले एषा क्रिया भवति चेत् सा क्रिया शत्रन्तपदेन पदरूपेण विशेषणरूपेण प्रयोजनं भवति तस्य. तो शत्रुप्रत्ययः कदा भवति? केवलं परस्मैपदी धातूनां भवति. वाट् अबौट् आत्मनेपदी धातु? आत्मनेपदी धातु अस्ति चेत् तथा रूपं कथं भवति? समानकाले प्रयोगः कथं? समान एका क्रिया अस्ति. उदाहरणार्थम् अत्र आसने उपविशति अस्ति. बालः ग्रन्थं पठन् आसने उपविशति अत्र अस्ति. अत्र उपविशति इति एकं क्रियापदं. पठनक्रिया अपि अत्र भवति समानकाले एव. ग्रन्थं पठन् आसने उपवेशनकाले एव सः पठति इति अत्र फलितार्थः. अत्रापि ग्रन्थं पठन्तं बालकं पश्यतु अत्रापि अस्ति. अत्र दर्शनक्रिया अन्यः कोऽपि पश्यति. समानकाले दर्शनकाले एव बालः पठति. ग्रन्थं पठन्तं बालं पश्यतु इति वाक्यं अत्र भवति. परन्तु अत्र प्रथमवाक्ये बालः ग्रन्थं पठन् आसने उपविशति. उपवेशनकाले ग्रन्थं पठति. परन्तु इदानीं चिन्तयतु सः शयनं करोति. आसने उपविशति शयनं करोति. तदा कथं वदामः? शयनं करोति तस्य धातुः क्रियापदं किम्? शेते इति अस्ति. शेते. शेते इति लट्लकारे शी धातुः. शी धातुः अदादिगणे द्वितीयगणे अस्ति. तथापि तत् आत्मनेपदी धातुः. आत्मनेपदी धातुः अस्ति चेत् तस्य लट्लकाररूपम् अस्ति शेते. इदानीम् आत्मनेपदी धातोः शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य योजनं न भवति. तदा किं करणीयं? शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य योजनं न भवति. तत्र शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य स्थाने शानच् प्रत्ययः भवति. शानच्. शत्रुप्रत्ययः तथा शानच् प्रत्ययः उभयोः प्रयोगः समानार्थे भवति. केवलं शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य भेदः कः? शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य योजनं धातुः परस्मैपदी अस्ति चेत् शानच् प्रत्ययस्य योजनं धातुः आत्मनेपदी अस्ति चेत् भवति. इदानीं शानच् प्रत्ययस्य योजनं शी धातोः अनन्तरं करणीयमस्ति. किं भवति? शी धातु शयान इति भवति. शयान. बालः शयानः आसने उपविशति. अत्रापि विशेषणमेव. बालः पदस्य विशेषणं भवति शयान इति. बालः इति पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. तत्र शयान इत्यपि पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. तत्र शयान इति प्रातिपदिकं तु शयान अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग. शयान सामान्य पदमस्ति. यथा राम प्रातिपदिकमस्ति रामशब्दः. बालशब्दः कृष्णशब्दः तथा अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः अस्ति सामान्यवे यत्तु हलन्तपदं तु नास्ति इति प्रयोगाय सुलभं भवति शयानः बालः शयानः आसने उपविशति इत्युक्ते किं बालः शेते इत्युक्ते बालः शयनं करोति तस्मिन् काले एव आसने उपविशति समानकाले आसने उपविशति इति अर्थः पुनः अत्र तदेव अवधानं भवेत् अस्य धातोः संयोगे अस्य प्रयोगः न करणीयः शानच् प्रत्ययस्य प्रयोगोऽपि न भवति यथा बालः so we want to say boy is sleeping so we are not going to use or we should not use balah shayanah asti that is incorrect in Sanskritam so balah shete means bala is sleeping that is the vartamana kala or ratlakara prathama purusha ekavachanam which conveys the same meaning or in the right way. So only if there is some other activity is going at this time, then we use the shanach. Similarly, so another example. Arjuna, while fighting, looks at Duryodhana. Arjuna, while fighting, looks at Duryodhana. So there are two kriyas here. Arjuna fights and Arjuna looks at Duryodhana. So two sentences. So how do we make two sentences? Arjuna is fighting. So what is the Sanskrit word, Sanskrit sentence for that?
Arjuna yuddham karoti.
Yuddham karoti. Now, instead of yuddham karoti, can we use yuddha dhatu itself?
Yudhyate.
Arjuna yudhyate. Atmanepadi. And Arjuna looks at Duryodhana. Arjuna
युध्यते महोदय युध्यते
युध्यते अनन्तरम् अर्जुन दुर्योधनं पश्यति इदानीं both are
here pashyate should be there. Pashyate.
No, not pashyate. Pashyate iti parasmaipadi. Pashyate is paradrishya. So only yuddha dhatu tatra atmanipadi yatha nashya dhatu. Atmanipadi divadigane chaturthagane. Arjuna yuddhate Arjuna Duryodhanam samanakale bhavati. तदा किं करणीयं युद्धधात् अस्य शानजन्तरूपं करणीयं तो युध्यमानः अर्जुनः युध्यमानः दुर्योधनं पश्यति Arjuna yudhyamanah Duryodhanam pashyati. Means while Arjuna is fighting, he looks at Duryodhana. Arjuna who is fighting looks at Duryodhana. Right? So pashyati remains pashyati. We are not changing pashyati to shatranta or shanajanta here. So this will remain as a kriyapada rupam. Latlakar rupam. Pashyati, sorry. Pashyati.
How to understand that ma is to be added?
How to understand ma is to be added? We'll see that now in a minute. What are the other examples, other udaharanani kani atmanepadi dhatoh? Atra कोष्टकः अस्ति वन्दते मोदते इति अस्माकं कोष्टकः आसीत् तदेव अस्ति अत्र वन्दते मोदते इत्यादीनाम् अत्र वन्दधातु वन्दमान भवति वन्दमान इति यथा शत्रन्तपदानि विशेषणानि भवन्ति तथैव एतानि पदानि अपि विशेषणानि भवन्ति विशेषणानि भवन्ति इति कारणात् सर्वेषु विभक्तिषु सर्वासु विभक्तिषु अस्य प्रयोगः भवति यथा अत्र अस्ति उदाहरणं प्रकाशमानः सूर्यः जायते सूर्यः प्रकाशते सूर्यः जायते इति वाक्यद्वयमस्ति सूर्यः प्रकाशते he shines and सूर्यः जायते means he rises or he is born अत्र प्रकाशते अस्य शानजन्तरूपं भवति प्रकाशमान बिकॉज इट इज काश धातु आत्मनेपदी धातु प्र इति उपसर्गः प्रकाशमानः सूर्यः जायते अनन्तरं जायमानं सूर्यं वन्दामहे अत्र द्वितीया विभक्तौ अस्ति सूर्यं वन्दामहे इति मुख्यवाक्यमस्ति कीदृशं सूर्यं तत्र विशेषणमस्ति जायमानं बिकॉज अत्र जनधातु इति दिवादिगणीय जायते इति रूपं लट्लकारे तत्रापि किं भवति जायमानम् इति द्वितीया विभक्ति प्रथमा विभक्ति जायमानः जायमानं सूर्यं वन्दामहे वी salute the Surya who is rising. Then युध्यमानेन पुरुषेण शोकः न कर्तव्यः इति तृतीया विभक्तेः उदाहरणमस्ति युध्यमानेन पुरुषेण शोकः न कर्तव्यः. I think you understood the meaning, correct? अत्र किम् अस्ति पुरुषः युद्धं युध्यते तेन शोकः न कर्तव्यः इति अर्थः. अनन्तरं याचमानाय शिशवे खाद्यं ददातु अत्र चतुर्थी विभक्तेः उदाहरणं शिशुः याचते याचते इत्युक्ते किम् begging asking याचते तो शिशुः याचते तस्मै खाद्यं ददातु. प्लवमानात् मेघात् वृष्टिः पतति. मेघः प्लवते प्लवते मीन्स फ्लोट्स इन द एयर इन द स्काई. मेघात् तस्मात् मेघः प्लवते तस्मात् वृष्टिः पतति. अनन्तरं षष्ठी विभक्ति देवं सेवमानस्य भक्तस्य सुखं भवति. भक्तः देवं सेवते इति एकं वाक्यं तस्य सुखं भवति इति अन्यत् वाक्यं. देवं सेवमानस्य भक्तस्य सुखं भवति इति एकं वाक्यं भवति. सप्तमी विभक्ति म्रियमाणे शरीरे किमर्थं मोहः. शरीरं म्रियते तस्मिन् किमर्थं मोहः इति अर्थः. म्रियते जायते म्रियते इति आत्मनेपदी रूपाणि अस्ति रूपाणि सन्ति.
I was comparing with Shahanah, where there was no ma.
So I think some people know here when there will be ma and when there is no ma. Anybody remember?
अकार अस्ति चेत् मा भवति. अङ्गम् अन्तस्य अकार अस्ति चेत् मा भवति. अन्य स्वरे अस्ति चेत् आ न भवति.
So पुनः तदेव अत्र गणस्य विषयः अस्ति. 1 4 6 10 1 4 6 10 अत्र अकारः अस्ति मध्ये यथा वन्द धातु अस्ति तस्य लट्लकाररूपं किं प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं
वन्दते
वन्दते अनन्तरं चतुर्थगणे जन धातुः जायते षष्ठगणे लज्जते अनन्तरं दशमगणे अत्र किं भवति पूजयते अत्रापि सर्वत्र वन्दते जायते लज्जते पूजयते तो तत्र सर्वत्र मध्ये अकारः अस्ति like we saw like bhavati in parasmapadi also bhavati nashyati in the middle. So here also in the middle there is like vandate jayate then pujayate lajjate. But if you look at other ones there is no in the middle. So aste shete she I said the she dhatu in the Dvitiya Gana, it's Latlakara, Pratama Purusha Ekachane, Shete. There is no in the middle. Shete. Then there is Da dhatu becomes Atmanepadi. What is the Latlakara?
Datte.
Datte. And the Chi dhatu Chinute. Chinute. Then Bhu dhatu Bhuj dhatu bhunkte. Kru dhatu उभयपदी अस्ति प्रश्नपदी करोति आत्मनेपदी कुरुते कुरुते अत्रापि उभयपदी क्री धातु परस्मैपदी आसीत् क्रीणाति अत्र क्रीणीते क्रीणीते इति 2 3 5 7 8 9 एषु गणेषु धातोः मध्ये क्रियापदस्य मध्ये अकारः न श्रूयते. There is no a. So when there is no a, ma doesn't come. There is no ma. When there is a in the middle for 1, 4, 6, 10, for these ma is added. Udaharanam vanda iti asti. So tasya rupam kim bhavati shanajanta rupam bhavati vandamana. Okay. Vandamana. And then jana dhatu datlakara rupam asti jayate. So then remove the last te and we get jayamana. Remove the last te. So here also vanda te. Remove that last te becomes vandamana. Divadi gane jayamana. Then another one lajjate. Remove that last te. Pratama vibhakti ekvachanam becomes lajjamana. And here pujayate pujayamana. Iti sulabham asti. Sopanam sulabham shanajanta is easy. Rather than the shatranta rupani. Because shatranta rupani is halanta. The pratipadikam bhavanti takaranta. Tatra pullinge atra bhavat dadat nashyat shaknuvat ityadi takaranta halanta pratipadikam bhavati. Whereas atmane padi dhatu asti chet shanajanta rupam bhavati akaranta samanya ajanta hakarantu rupam bhavati tatrapi prathamagane bhadigane divadigane tudadigane churadigane madhye makarah agacchati vandamana. So what is the formula here? You have to take the lat lakara ekavachana form of this vandate, vandate, and then jayate, lajjate, pujayate, kshalayate, etc. Just remove the last te and then add mana. Mana. Okay. Vandamana, Jayamana, Lajjamana, Pujayamana. Okay? That is the formula. Simple. So before this, just like Shatru Pratyaya is equal to what? Sha plus A plus, At plus Ru. So in the process of Vyakarana, Sha is removed, Ru is removed. So only At is added to Dhatu. So this we studied when we were studying the Shatranta. Similarly, Shanach, what happens? Shanach kim bhavati?
Ana.
Sha plus Ana plus
Chakara.
Cha.
Yes.
Cha. So these are removed. These are removed. So only Ana in the final stage, only Ana remains, and this needs to be added to Dhatu. So suppose the Dhatu is Vanda. So we take Vanda. Vanda Dhatu. Atra Ana iti pratyasya yojanam karaniyam asti. But because this is Vanda is Prathamagane asti, there is a Vikarana pratyaya also called A. Right? There is a Vikarana pratyaya. You see the Vikarana pratyaya here. Under Bhadigana there is Shap. Vikarana pratyaya is shown as A here. So Vanda, that Vikarana pratyaya also needs to be added there. Okay. So if you go to Vanda plus A, that Vikarana pratyaya has to be added. So this Vanda plus A becomes Vanda plus Ana. So now it should become Vandana because A plus A becomes A as per Sandhi, Vandana. But because this is Dhatus, this is called Anga now. Anga. This is the Dhatu plus Vikana Pratyaya we are adding, and this is called Anga. Anga is something we supply to Pratyaya. Or Pratyaya is added to this Anga, this part, which is a ready part after adding the Vikana Pratyaya. So this is adding, ending in Akara. This is not a Halanta. Halanta Shabda Nasti. So because it is ending in we bring Ma in between. Ma in between. Makara. So Vandamana. Now we add Vanda plus Ma plus Ana. So it becomes Vandamana. Same thing is do it for 4, 6, 10 also. So in the fourth, what we have? Udaharanam Jana Dhatu. Jayate Dilatlakara. Jana Dhatu becomes Ja, Ya. There is other derivation and other rules there. But its Anga becomes Jaya. Now for Jaya, we add Ana. So it should have become Jayana. But because there is a at the end here for the Angam, we add Ma in between. So it becomes Jayamana. Tathaiva Lajjamana api. Shashthagane Lajjamana. Tathaiva Churadigane Pujayamana. Pujaya iti angam tatra punaha ma plus ana. Pujayamana iti rupam. Iti pullinga pratipadikam bhavati. Vandamana, Jayamana, Lajjamana and Pujayamana iti pullinga pratipadikam. Idanim strilinge kim bhavati? Just simple. It is Akaranta Strilinga. Just add A to it. Plus A. Okay. Pujayamana, Vandamana, Jayamana, Lajjamana. To any किमपि शानजन्तपदं भवतु तत्र आकारान्त आ इति आकारस्य योजनेन किं भवति तस्य स्त्रीलिङ्गप्रातिपदिकं सिद्ध्यति. So this is simple, right? Unlike Shatranta, where the Pullinga Pratipadikam was Takaranta, and the Strilinga Pratipadikam was Dirgha Ikaranta. Yatha Bhavanti, Gachanti, Sati, Dadati, Sabde, Strilinga Ikaranta. But here it is simple. The Pullinga Pratipadikam is Akaranta, simple. Vandamana, etc. Whereas Strilinga is just add a, Vandamana. Napunsakalinga Pratipadikam same as Pullingam. Like Vandamana is Napunsakalinga Pratipadikam. Parantu tasya rupani katam bhavanti vibhakti pratyaya yojanena phalam pada. Yatha akaranta Napunsakalinga shabdah asti यथा फल अथवा वन वनम वने वनानि तथैव वन्दमानं वन्दमाने वन्दमानानि इति नपुंसकलिङ्गे रूपाणि भवन्ति. So what is the summary? पुल्लिङ्ग प्रातिपदिकं भवति अकारान्त यथा वन्दमान. स्त्रीलिंग प्रातिपदिकं भवति आकार योजनेन वन्दमाना. अनन्तरं नपुंसकलिंग प्रातिपदिकं भवति वन्दमान एव प्रातिपदिकं. परन्तु प्रथमा विभक्ति वयं जानीमः. अत्र वन्दमान पुल्लिंगे प्रथमा विभक्ति भवति वन्दमानः इति विसर्गः पुल्लिंगे प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्. अत्र तु समानमेव. स्त्रीलिङ्गे प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं तु वन्दमाना एव. अत्र मानं वन्दमानम् इति प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम् इति सुलभः विषयः अस्ति. Now the next question is अन्येषु गणेषु यदि धातुः द्वितीय तृतीय पंचम सप्तम अथवा अष्टम गणेषु अस्ति चेत् तदा किं कर्तव्यं? मकारस्य योजनं न भवति. यथा शी धातु अस्ति शेते इति प्रथमपुरुषे एकवचनं लट्लकारे तस्य शयान इति रूपं भवति. शयान इति प्रातिपदिकं पुल्लिङ्गे, शयाना इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे, शयान इति प्रातिपदिकं नपुंसकलिङ्गे, पुनः शयानः शयानो शयानाः इति रामपदवत् रूपाणि पुल्लिङ्गे, शयाना शयाने शयानाः इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे रूपाणि शयानं शयाने शयानानि इति नपुंसकलिङ्गे रूपाणि चलन्ति. अत्र जुहोत्यादिगणे दा धातु अस्ति चेत् तस्य कथं रूपाणि? ददान ददान इति रूपं भवति. ददान समान ददान इति न पुल्लिङ्गे, ददान इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे. स्वादिगणे ची धातु चिन्वान इति रूपं. चिन्वान पुल्लिङ्गे, चिन्वाना इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे. रुधादिगणे भुञ्जान भुञ्जान इति पुल्लिङ्गे, भुञ्जाना इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे. कृ धातु तनादिगणे तस्य कथं रूपं? कुर्वाण इति पुल्लिङ्गे, कुर्वाणा इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे. क्रियादिगणे क्री धातुः क्री, क्रीणान क्रीणानः इति पुल्लिङ्गे, क्रीणान क्रीणाना इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे. इति मकारस्य योजनं न करणीयम् येषु गणेषु. मकारस्य योजनं केवलं प्रथम चतुर्थ षष्ठ दशम गणेषु एव करणीयम्. So now Prathamagane asti Vanda Dhatuhu. So what are the formula to derive the Shanach Rupam? Prathamagane asti chet Vanda Dhatu. Asya Shanadisya Vanda Dhatu Shanajanta Rupam Vandamana iti asti. So how do we know? Just now we discussed. How do we simple formula? What is it? How do we get Vandamana?
Plus
Vanda plus Ana.
Now, what is the formula? Formula like in Chatranta, what is the formula? For example, Bhavat or say Gachat is a Pratipadikam. How do we get that? Gachat. What is the easy formula? Without knowing all this Vikarana Pratyaya and all that. Gachat. How do we derive this? How do we know it is Gachat? If we know the Lat Lakara form.
Lat Lakara Gachanti. So niskashayatu Gachate. Gachana.
Tatra Bahuvachana Rupam Bhavati Gachanti. Tatra ti niskasya nakarasya Shravanam Bhavati Chet Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Bhavati Pullinge. Iti तस्य सुलभोपायः अस्ति तत्र तथैव उदाहरणं श्रु धातुः अस्ति अथवा शृणोति इति अस्ति तथा तत्र किं भवति शत्रन्तरूपं शृणोति इति अथवा शक्नोति
शृण्वन्ति
पुल्लिङ्गे
शक्नुवन्ति
शक्नोति बहुवचनमस्ति शक्नुवन्ति तस्य शत्रन्तरूपं किम्
शक्नुवन्
शक्नुवन् सो सर्वत्र तत्र लट्लकारस्य बहुवचनरूपस्य प्रथमपुरुषे बहुवचनरूपस्य किं भवति अन्तिमति निष्कास्य केवलं नकारस्य योजनेन किं भवति प्रथम पुल्लिङ्गस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनरूपस्य ज्ञानं भवति. So this we saw in that in this right pullinga except 3 what is written here in the this is for shatranta shatrapradan shatranta rupani. What is the easy way? Pullinga except third gana we have this, but other than 3 everywhere we have this this rupa gachan gachanta gachanta shaknuvan shaknuvanta shaknuvantah like that. So there the easy formula is that bahuvachana latlakara prathama purusha bahuvachana rupasya antima ti iti nibhagam nishkasya kevalam nakarasya shravanam bhavati chet tasya rupam kim suchayati shatranta pullinga prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. And then you just add now but for the third one we have this is special one, right? Where dadati dattaha dadati is the bahuvachana rupam here dadati, but here there is no na here, so there is no question of keeping na, so the only dadat becomes the pratipadikam here in the pullinga. And how to derive strilingam, that also we discussed today also, how to derive strilingam for shatranta rupani. Now what about the shanajanta rupani? Jnanajuntrupaani 1, 4, 6, 10. 1, 4, 6, 10 we add mana. So you take the vandate pratama purusha latlakara, pratama purusha ekavachana rupam, where the vandate is there, you remove this te and add mana, correct? For 1, 4, 6, 10. So can you give some udaharanam for prathama ganasya अन्यः धातु का? सम्या भगिनी, what is prathama gana आत्मनेपदी?
महोदय,
प्रथम गणे आत्मनेपदी
वन्दते, like that.
अन्यः धातु कश्चित् अन्यः धातु. मोदते, मोदते, शङ्कते,
धावते,
धावते, धावति,
रोचते,
रोचते, ईक्षते. They are all here, right, in this other slide. Many of them are here. Not all of them are prathamagana, but many. Labhate, vandate, ikshate, bhashate, smayate. So these are prathamagane spardhate, vardhate. So etesham shanajantarupani vandamana, modamana, spardhamana, vardhamana, smayamana, bhashamana. Tatra mana becomes mana because not tvam bhavati bhashama, because there is a sha here. Rasha, if they are there, na changes to na, right? Bhashamana, bhashamana, yatamana, and then we have labhamana. So that is the akaranta pullinga shanajanta rupani. Now strilinga just add a. Vandamana, bhashamana, modamana, yatamana, labhamana. So vardhamana. So udaharanam dadatu atra. Yatamana iti padam upyujya vakyam rachayati idanim. Wants to try? Jivani. Yatate means prayatnam karoti. Means yatate means it tries. Somebody tries. Try.
So would be yatamana.
Yatamana. So what is the sentence? Can you use that in a sentence?
Sorry, what was the meaning you said?
Try.
Balakaha yatamanaha. Patati. I don't know. It doesn't tell a lot on me, more or less.
Samyak eva. Samichinam. Balaka yatamanaha pustakam patati. That is also okay. Or you can use it in a different vibhakti also. It doesn't need to be in the prathama vibhakti. Yatamanam balakam. Yatamanam balakam. Pashyami. Yatamanena balakena. So here we can use a karmani.
Yatamena balakena saha milami.
Yatamanena balakena saha milami. So these are the examples you can use. Good.
Why this list contains only certain chosen dhatus, but still I cannot understand why dhavati is not included. What's the reason? When I said dhavati, no, it is only dhavati is it.
Yeah, because dhava dhatu is in the parasmaipadi dhatu.
Parasmaipadi? I thought it is atmanipadi.
At least I don't know if it is atmanipadi. I have only heard of parasmaipadi dhavati.
No, that was in my mind. I should ask only Atmanepadi, but Saudi I thought it's coming under Atmanepadi. Okay, it is now Parsnepadi.
No, you can check it if you find Atmanepadi, you can use it, but
okay.
I don't remember it being Atmanepadi.
Okay, sir. Okay, I'll check it out.
Now, so Vardhaman, so these are like, some of these are Ubhayapadi atra, yatha Nayate is Ubhayapadi, Ni dhatu, right? Prathamagane अस्ति नी धातु, नयति इति रूपणम् अपि अस्ति, नयते इति अपि अस्ति. नयति अस्ति चेत् शत्रन्त पदं भवति, नयति परस्मैपदी, तस्य किं भवति, प्रातिपदिकं शत्रन्त प्रातिपदिकं किं भवति, शत्रन्त नयत् इति प्रातिपदिकं, नयन्ति इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे, नयन्ति दीर्घ. आत्मनेपदी भवति चेत् किं भवति, शानजन्तपदं किं भवति तदा,
नयमानः,
नयमान स्त्रीलिङ्गे नयमान इति भवति. सिमिलर्ली अत्र पच धातु अपि उभयपदी, पचत् इति शत्रन्त, पचमान इति शानजन्तपदं भवति. ओके, इति 1 4 6 10. that is easy to remember. Just prathama purusha ekavachana rupasya latlakara, prathama purusha ekavachana rupam asti, tatra te iti bhagam nishkasya mana iti padam yojayatu. 1 4 6 10. For others we have to use ana, but ana where is a question. It also can be, it has a simple way also, because if you look at shete, this is the prathama purusha latlakara, prathama purusha ekavachanam. Where are you going to add ana here? If you remove te, just she plus ana, this doesn't become shayana. Similarly, if you take another example, atmanepadi dhatu, which is not in which is not in 1 4 6 10. For example, kru dhatu. It's a kru dhatu, atmanepadi latlakara pradapurusha kurute, right? Kurute. Tha kurute, kuru plus ana, kuru ana, tata kim bhavati. So the simpler way, therefore, which are not in 1 4 6 10. What is the simple way? There is a simple way. Suppose if you take anyone, let's say chi. So here what you need to do, which are not in 1 4 6 10, latlakara, prathama purusha, dvivachana. So you look at dvivachana, and here you remove this te for the te and just add another. Because there is no ma here, because these are not in 1 4 6 10. So because these are not in 1 4 6 10, look at the prathama purusha dvivachana form, and in that remove te and just put another, chinvana. If it is in 1 4 6 10, use the ekavachana. This is not in 1 4 6 10. So if it is 1 4 6 10, just use the prathama purusha ekavachana, and then you add mana there. Otherwise, if it is not in 1 4 6 10, look at prathama purusha dvivachana form, and then remove that te at the end, and then add. You can add ana also, na also, it's the same thing, chinvana. For example, let's take another one, kru dhatu. Kru dhatu, atmanepadi. What is the atmanepadi latlakara rupani katham bhavanti? Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. right? Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. So here you remove the te and you add ana or na. So what happens here? This becomes kurvana. And because there is a refa here, this na becomes na. Like we had bhashamana. So here kurvana. So 1, 4, 6, 10. Simple way to understand and to recall, remember the Shanajanta Rupa is for 1, 4, 6, 10 Latlakara Pratama Purusha Ekavachane Te iti bhagam niskasya Mana iti yojanam karotu. If it is not in 1, 4, 6, 10, then Pratama Latlakara Pratama Purusha Ekavachane Dvivachane Te iti bhagam niskasya Aneti yojayatu. Simple, right? This is much simpler than Shatranta. If it is Kri also, let's take the Kri. Here it is Latlakara Pratama Purusha Rupani Katam Bhavanti Krinite, Krinate, Krinate. Here, because this is in the Kriyadigana, Navamagana, Tatra Dvivachana Rupam Bhavati Krinate. Tatrapi te bhagam niskasya Krinana bhavati. Just simple. Krinana. Krinana iti pullinga rupam, Krinana iti strilinga rupam. Let's, what else you want to take? Bhuj dhatu. Atmanepadi. Atrapi Latlakara Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam. Bhunjate Dvivachanam. Te iti bhagam niskasya Bhunjana bhavati. Bhunjana, Bhunjana Rupam. What else is remaining there? Divadiyana, Jyotyadi. Divadigani. Asa is not a good example. Let's finish this da. We'll come back to asa. Prathama Purusha Dvivachana Rupam. Dada. Dadana. Dadana. That is the one. And Ditiya Ganasya Udaharanamasti Shete. For example, take Shete. Shete, anybody remembers what are the Prathama Purusha Rupani Latlakare Atmanepadi? Rajashri Bhagini.
Shayate.
Shete, Shayate, Sherate. So Shayate is the Dvivachana Rupam. So they are also remove that te and add ana, Shayana. Okay, Lakshmikant Mohde, Avagatam. Where is mana, where is mana, where is ana? And how to remember it in an easy way. If you want to remember the hard way with Vyakarana, Paniniya Sutra and all that, you can do that. But for me, this is simpler.
Very, very simple.
Now, coming to As, what happened to As? As. That is awesome. Here. So if you apply the same rule here, what should be the form? The Shanajanta Rupam Kim Bhavati Prathama Purusha Dvivachanam.
Asana.
Asana, good. But here, Asa iti padasya artha kaha. Aste means what? Aste means actually Upavishati. Aste means Sits, actually, sits. Sits, and there are some other meanings also, but let's take sit. So, when the one who is sitting, we don't call it asana. Yeah, that seat is different. Seat is asanam, that is different. That also comes from this dhatu, but that is a different form, pradanta form, asanam. But here asana yatha shayana, shayanah balakah upavishati iti यथा शयान शानजन्तपदम् अस्ति तथा आसानं बालकं पश्यतु इति रूपं भवेत्, परन्तु रूपं कथमस्ति वस्तुतः प्रयोगे आसीन इति अस्ति। आसीनं बालकं पश्यतु, one who is sitting. So for as dhatu there is a slight variation. It is not asana, it is asina. So what are the other? So first column, Karta Mahodaya, first column, can you read the words and make the Shanajanta Rupam? Karta Mahodaya Nasti. Who else next?
Yeah. Yes, I was mute. First word is Vandade. Vandade is the first word.
Tasya Shanajanta Rupam kim?
Vandan.
Shanajanta Rup. Shanajanta.
Vandamana.
Vandamana. Vandamana. Okay, next one.
Modade. Modamana.
Modamana.
Sparthade. Sparthamana. Jayade. Jayamana is correct.
Jayamana.
Jayamana. Mriyade. Mriyamana.
Mriya.
Kurude. Mriyamana.
Tatra mriyamana na iti nakarasya natvam bhavati. Mriyamana.
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 Kurude. Gurumana. Gurumana.
Not Kurumana. We just talked. Asmakan Chircha Asit Idanim. Asmati begin.
Kurvana.
Kurvana. Why? Because.
Yes. So just now you talk to me. Kurvana.
Not in 1, 4, 6, 10.
Yes.
Kuru dhatu tanadigane.
Yes.
Okay. Ditiyah stambhaha. Samya begini.
Vidyate. Vidyamana.
Vidyamana.
Vidyamana. Kurdate. Kurdamana. Nayate. Nayamana. Pachate. Pachamana. Sevate. Sevamana. Tvarate. Tvaramana, Mahoday? Tvaramana or...
Tvaramana. Tvaramana. Astu, Tvaramana padam upayujya ekam vakyam rachayatu.
Tvarate is to hurry up, right, Mahoday?
Yes.
The Strilinga padam for Tvaramana, right, Mahoday?
Yeah.
Tvaramana balika vahanam prapnoti.
Yeah. Sundaram. Tvaramana balika vahanam prapnoti. Astu. अग्रिमः स्तम्भः मास्टर् लक्ष्मीकान्त महोदय.
इक्षते इक्षमाण स्मयते स्मयमान वर्धते वर्धमान कंपते कंपमान पलायते पलामान शंकते शंकवान
शङ्कमान. तत्र पलायते इति पलायमान.
Sorry.
Because there is a O here. Palaya iti Churadigane, 10th. Pujayamana, Palayamana, Chalayamana, like that. So first one, you said it right. Ikshate, Ikshamana, Natvam bhavati, Natvam asti. Ikshamana. Okay, Agrimaha wants to do it. Jagriti Bhagini, want to try?
Bhashate, Basamana.
Bhashamana.
Sorry, Basamana. Yatate, Yatamana. Dayate, Dayamana. Rajate, Rajma. Ritana. Rajaman.
Virajaman. Like you think Virajaman. We say Virajaman all the time.
Kashate, Kashamana. No, Kashamana.
No, Kashamana. Yatha Prakashamana asit. Asmakam udarane.
Prakashamana. Kashamana. Vijayate, Vijayamana.
Okay, धन्यवाद. Agrimam Giovanni.
Yes, sorry. Trayate, Trayamana.
Trayamana. No, not Tvam. Trayamana.
Trayamana. Labate, Labamana. Maniate.
So because there is it is because of the tra.
Yeah, because of ra.
Yeah, so yeah, that rule is coming here also.
Yeah, here also there is ra, but there is a ja in between. It will stop. Not Tvam. Rajamana.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay. The next.
Shobate, Shobamana. Shete. I'm not sure about this one.
Shayana.
Yeah, Shayana. We just talked that Shayana.
Yes, right. Pratishtate, Pratishtamana.
Pratishthamana. Idanim Pratishthamana. So using Pratishthamana, can you make a sentence?
I don't remember the meaning of Pratishtate.
Meaning, Pratishthamana. Anybody? Rajesh beginning, what is the meaning of Pratishthate?
To be present.
Pratishthate. Anyone?
Installing.
स्थापयते
Huh?
स्थापयते
Huh. Somewhat like that, or not. That is no. That is not. That is not installing. Pratisthapayati, that is installing, not pratisthate. Samya Bhagini, anybody open? Anyone remember?
Pratishthamana.
Yeah, but what is the meaning? Question meaning.
Actually, Pratishtha Karma is installation.
Famous.
No, that is Pratishthapana.
Is it famous?
No. Pratisthate. We have done this, used this in previously in the examples.
It is just standing. Pratishtha.
No. Standing is Tishtati. But upasarga purvakam pratisthate atmanepadi convert. Parivartanam bhavati atmanepadi rupam. Atmanepade parivartanam. Pratisthate means what?
Can it be honored also?
Sreshtam bhavati.
No. Prasthanam karoti. Prasthanam, remember?
Oh.
What is prasthana?
departure
Departure.
Departing.
So, prasthanam karoti means it is easy to understand, right? Because we use it day to day, like prasthan karta hai, prasthan bhavati. But that actually the lakar rupam asti pratisthate. Prasthanam karoti is a kridanta rupam asti. But if you want to, like bhojanam karomi is a, or shravanam karomi is a kridanta rupam. But if you want to make a lakar, which is shrunomi, similarly here prasthanam karomi is kridanta rupam. But if you want to make it lakara rupam, it is pratisthate. Pratisthate means he departs, somebody departs. Pratisthate. So
vehicle starts. Here we have to study at right.
What is that? Vehicle start means vehicle departs.
Yes, departs.
Vahanam pratisthate.
Vahanam pratisthati.
Yanam pratisthate. Kim Bhagini was
Okay.
This is sentence, okay? Pratishthavanam gurum aham namaskaromi.
Yeah, okay. Pratishthamane vahane mama bhagini gacchati. Something. कूर्दमानः मर्कटः वानरः कूर्दमानः मर्कटः विद्यमानः विद्यमानं वर्तमान वर्तते is also this one, right? It is आत्मनेपदी धातुः वृत्त धातुः वर्तते तस्य रूपं किं भवति शानजन्त रूपं वर्तमान. So actually use vartamana kala also, right? Vartamana kala. Tasya.
Can it be other meaning? Honored? Can it be other meaning? Honored?
Which meaning?
Honored.
For what? Pratishtha? No, that is different. That is pratisthapana, sthapa dhatu. That is here we are using only stha dhatu. Stha dhatu and sthapi dhatu both are different. Sthapayati is different, right? And tishtati is different. Tishtati, sthapayati both are different. So when we use sthapi, that sthapayati is kridanta form. There it becomes pratishthapanam. There it is like a pratishtha. So that becomes honor, etc. But here it is different. Here we are using just plain stha dhatu, where it is prastha, prasthana bhavati, prasthana, not pratisthapana, prasthana and pratisthate. This is departure meaning. Okay, so we are going to vartamana, vartamana kalaha, atha pravartamanaha vargaha. Many times we hear this idanim asmakam shanach pratyayabhyasaha pravartamanaha asti. So you might have heard this, such sentences. Vyakarana vargaha pravartamanaha asti. But actually that is incorrect, right? Prayoga, because there is asti. Asti is not there. Asti should not be there. Because actually what we are trying to say, asmakam vyakarana vargaha pravartate. Pravartate is the right word. Now the question is, how do I want, pravartate means it happens. My vyakarana varga happens. But people don't usually get, because we are so much used to this other languages, and especially English also, where that present continuous thing is very widely used. So that same kind of feeling is hard to get there. When we say pravartate, vargaha pravartate, charcha pravartate, when we say that. But when we say charcha pravartamana asti, then people tend to understand that it is going on, which is incorrect actually. But how do we want to say that even though pravartate is correct, but if you want to bring that feeling of going on, so we need to shift the usage to other krudanta words. It could be ktavatu pratyaya or it could be kanta pratyaya. For example, when we want to say the class, Vyakarana class is in progress. So in that case, instead of saying pravartamana asti, if we could say prachalitaha asti. Vyakarana vargaha idanim prachalita. You can use idanim or not, it doesn't matter. Vyakarana vargaha prachalitaha asti. So there we get asti. Asti indicates present tense, vartamana kala, but now prachalita indicates its current status, which we discussed about the current status in case of Tavatu, etc. also. So in this case, prachalitaha asti is more appropriate, if you want to say. Vargaha prachalitaha asti, which means currently it is in the state of progress. Prachalita means what? Progress. Right? So such usages should be used in Sanskritam if we want to be very particular about present continuous thing. Another thing which I just remembered, I talked about asana. Asana becomes asina. अस्मिन् विषये किञ्चित् कालपूर्वं मया एक लेखनं लिखितमासीत्. If anybody interested in the katharupa, so asana becomes asina. How? So katharupena अथवा सम्भाषणरूपेण एकं लिखितमासीत्. So if you are interested, you can refer to this, read through this. There it starts with asana. So here it shows asana, saying that it is not asana, it is asina. Asana iti ashuddha prayoga. Asina iti padam prayogaryam. So, any questions so far? Anything else? Before I quickly touch base on Sati Suptami. Okay, this should be simple.
If we come across any specific doubt, can we come back to you, sir?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, anytime you can email or post it in the group. I'll answer it. On any topic, not only this topic, on any topic we studied, the question. Now, Sati Saptami Udaharanamasti. Sati Saptami is a special usage of Saptami Bhakti. Saptami Bhakti Saptami Bhakti kada tasya prayoga bhavati samanyatah उदाहरणं वदतु सप्तमी प्रयोग सप्तमी विभक्ति प्रयोग रूपस्य प्रयोग
वृक्षे
वृक्षे किं वाक्यं वाक्यं कथं भवति
बालके
वृक्षे पत्राणि
के गुणाः सन्ति
बालके गुणाः सन्ति वृक्षे पत्राणि सन्ति पाठशालायां बालकः अस्ति आसने बालकः उपविशति अत्र सर्वेषु वाक्येषु सप्तमी विभक्तेः प्रयोगे कथं भवति अधिकरणरूपेण अधिकरण मीन्स् स्थानं सूचयति स्थानं वृक्षे पत्राणि सन्ति वृक्षः पत्राणाम् आश्रयरूपेण वर्तते आश्रयरूप आश्रय मीन्स् इट् सपोर्ट्स् इट् अधिकरण स्थानं तथा ग्रामे उत्सवः भवति पाठशालायां बालकः अस्ति तत्र सर्वत्र आश्रयः तत्र बालके गुणाः सन्ति तत्रापि बालकः गुणानाम् आश्रयः अस्ति इति बालकपदस्य सप्तमी विभक्तिप्रयोगः अस्ति तत्र परन्तु अत्र सतिसप्तमी अत्र अधिकरणं नास्ति उदाहरणं पश्यतु अत्र वसन्तसमये प्राप्ते किमस्ति तत् सुभाषितं काककृष्ण पिककृष्णः को भेदः पिककाकयोः वसन्तसमये प्राप्ते काकः पिकः मीन्स्
वसन्तकाले कोकिलः
वसन्तसमये प्राप्ते so here
समये प्राप्ते
काकः पिकः so the first one Kaka-Krishna, Pika-Krishna means Kaka, crow is also black, Pika, what is cuckoo? What is it called in English? The one which sings melodiously, the bird.
Cuckoo, no?
Cuckoo,
cuckoo.
Coil.
Cuckoo or cuckoo also, cuckoo that is also black. So both look same. Generally, we can't distinguish them. But Vasanta Samaya Prapte, Kaka Pika. When Vasanta Samaya comes, or spring season comes, Kaka Pika means crow is crow and cuckoo is cuckoo. So what does that mean? When spring season comes, then this cuckoo sings melodiously and the crow cannot sing, or even if it sings, it's not melodious. So we know the difference, which one is crow, which one is cuckoo. So here we are using Vasanta Samaye Prapte, when the spring season comes. In that sense, we are using the Saptami Bhakti here. Vasanta Samaye Prapte. So actually what tasya artha kaha yada Vasanta Samayah prapnoti. Yada Vasanta Samayah agacchati iti artha. So yada iti padasya prayoge प्रयोग समये अथवा तस्य अर्थे एव सप्तमी विभक्तेः प्रयोगः अत्र कृतः अस्ति तत्र यदा तदा in that sense. So this kind of usages are called Sati Saptami. So here also, why is it called Sati Saptami? So this Sati is actually Sat Shabdas. Sat. What is Sat? What is Sat? Anybody remember? Sat. Kidrisha Rupam Asti Sat. So we studied in Shatrantarupam.
We did sun, Mahoday.
Sun तस्य प्रातिपदिकं सत्.
प्रातिपदिकं सत्.
धातु कः? अस् धातु अस्ति इति लट्लकारे सत् इति शत्रन्तरूपं. सत् तस्य सप्तमी विभक्ति सति. सति एवं सति means if it is like this. So in that sense, this sati, and it indicates this saptami vibhakti of sat. So generally it is called sati saptami, or there are other names also like bhava lakshana saptami, etc. So this is not a karaka vibhakti. In this saptami vibhakti which is used in prasanta samaya prapte, here is not a karaka vibhakti because there is no adhikaranam, there is no sthana is indicated or ashraya is indicated. We are indicating the when it is like this, when prasanta samaya arrives, then what happens? Kaka is kaka, something. We are referring to something else when this happens. So in this sense, saptami vibhakti is used. These kind of usages, vibhakti usages are called, what are they called? Upapada vibhakti. Like we have seen some of them examples. Mitrena saha gacchami. There is tritiya vibhakti is not used in as a instrument. It is used as a just because saha is there, we are using mitrena. Similarly, tena vina, tam vina, tasmat vina. There also where vina is there, ditya, tritiya, panchami can be used. So those are the upapada vibhakti examples. So here also another example like namaha, tasmai namaha, devaya namaha, where namaha is there, we are using chaturthi vibhakti. Those kind of usages which are not related to the main kriya in a sentence, they are upapada vibhakti. They are not karaka vibhakti. So here also, so the vasanta samaya prapti saptami vibhakti is being used and not directly related with kriya, but just as a replacement for yada tada. Yada vasanta samaya tasya prapanam bhavati tada kakah iva drishyate. Antaram udahanani santi atra kshine punye martyalokam vishanti iti bhagavad-gitayaam. Kshine punye iti saptami vibhakti. Yada punyam kshinam bhavati. Punya karyam punyasya prabhavah kshinah bhavati. So again, yada tada is there. Yada punyam kshinam bhavati tada martyalokam vishanti ke jivaha. Jivatmanah. Yada tesham अथवा साधकस्य साधकस्य पुण्यं करोति पुण्यकार्यं करोति पुण्यकार्यं कृत्वा स्वर्गं गच्छन्ति तत्र स्वर्गे तस्य क्षीणे पुण्ये स्वर्गे सुखम् अनुभवन्ति स्वर्ग सुखम् अनुभवन्ति तदा then again there is a debit, there is a credit and debit. So पुण्यकार्याणां क्षयः भवति क्षीणे पुण्ये. When the punya is kshina, kshina means what? Lessen, it becomes less. Then those sadhakaha punaha martyalokam vishanti. They come back to martyaloka, means again bhuloka. They enter the bhuloka again. Similarly, there are other examples given. Strishu dushtasu ashneya jayate varna sankaraha. Again Gita. Strishu dushtasu saptami vibhakti atra yada स्त्री जनाः दुष्टाः भवन्ति वाष्णे इति संबोधनम्. हे अर्जुन, यदा स्त्री जनाः स्त्रियः दुष्टाः भवन्ति वर्णसंकर तदा वर्णसंकरः जायते. दुष्टासु means when they fall down, their नैतिक स्तरः patati tada, whose women, because women are the basic backbone of our social fabric. When there is a bad thing happening to them, then jayate varna sankaraha, the entire social structure collapses. Then the other example we have the Bhajagovindam, Vaisigate kaha kama vikara, shushke nire kaha kasara. Here all these, kshine vitye kaha pravyara, jnate tattve kaha samsara. Atrapi सर्वे एते शब्दाः प्रयोगाः सति सप्तमी उदाहरणानि। वयसि गते कः कामविकारः? यदा वयः गच्छति, यदा वयः गतः भवति तदा कः कामविकारः? वयः गतः, आयुष्यः गतः। In that sense, what is the use of the kama-vikarah kaha tada? We don't feel the desire after the desire for anything after the vaya is gone or the age is past. शुष्के नीरे कः कासारः? यदा नीरः शुष्कः भवति तदा कासारः कः वर्तते? अस्ति इति वर्तते, अस्ति, भवति इति पुनः तत्र अध्याहारः अथवा कल्पना करणीया। तत् शुष्के नीरे, शुष्क मीन्स ड्राई, नीर मीन्स जलम। शुष्के नीरे when यदा नीरम और जलम शुष्कम भवति, the water is dried out, तदा कः कासारः? कासारः is jalashaya. Then in that case, what is the, where is the pond? Then क्षीणे वित्ते कः परिवारः? यदा वित्तं क्षीणं भवति, यदा धनं क्षीणं भवति तदा कः परिवारः? when we lose the dhanam, ऐश्वर्यं, तदा परिवारः कः? all परिवारजना they पलायन्ते। ज्ञाते तत्त्वे कः संसारः? यदा तत्त्वं ज्ञातं भवति कः संसारः? तत्त्वं means यथार्थ ज्ञानं भवति, means we realize, realization or ज्ञाते, when that happens tada kaha samsarah? In that case, where is the samsara? Samsara bhayam, the samsara tapatraya nasti in that case. So yada tada you can use it with the Sati Saptami. This is just a simple quick introduction or परिचय of Sati Saptami. धन्यवादः, नमस्कारः, पुनर्मिलामः सर्वेभ्यः, धन्यवादः।
Can I speak 2 words before if you are permitting me?